guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox our Boxycharm Premium box. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, and to address a few things that happened in my last video, well, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so before I even get started into this video, I want to address my last Boxycharm video. And I'm sure you guys have noticed that I've turned the comments off in that video. And it's because I got a lot of hate in that video. And I could typically handle hate, but there just comes a point where the negativity just gets to be overwhelming. And there's people who are just downright cruel. So in regards to that video, I had seen a lot of concerns, and people were saying that I was very ungrateful for getting PR. And that's completely not the case. I am very, very grateful to get PR. However, looking back on it, I can see where some of you guys are coming from. And I'm not going to apologize for what I said, but I'm definitely going to apologize for how I said it. It could have sounded better. I definitely did sound ungrateful, and that's not where I was coming from by any means. At the end of the day, yes, I'm getting a free box, but I'm still doing a job for Boxycharm. In order for me to get these free boxes, I do have to follow certain standards where I have to post every single month, not only on my Instagram, but on YouTube as well, in order to stay on their PR list. So even if I do get a free box, I'm doing a job for them. So it's not like I'm just getting it for free. I'm doing it because I have to. Now, I'm very, very, very grateful that I'm on their list. I don't think I'm not. And if I'm ever taking off of it, that is okay too. But I didn't want you guys to think that I was just being so negative. I genuinely just was giving my honest opinion, and I really was disappointed in the box. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because as a customer, because I still am a customer, I still pay for the $25 box, the $35 box, and the $50 box. I still pay for all three boxes every single month. Well, not the $50 one, that's every 3 months, but I still pay for my box. And if I had gotten that box as a paying customer, I would have been very disappointed. I want to come on here and say that I'm really sorry if you guys thought that I was being ungrateful or bratty or spoiled. All the nasty comments, I'm really sorry. That was not my intention to come off that way. But I now am taking that as a lesson. I'm learning how to navigate in a different way where I can say how I feel, but maybe not sound so negative about it. I think there's a way that I can go about expressing my opinion, being honest, but sounding more positive and not being so negative, because that's probably how I was. I was definitely negative Nancy. That video could have been handled completely differently, and I do apologize for that. But I did turn off the comment section because people got really, really nasty. Some people got really nasty, and as much as you guys say, oh, just ignore it, there comes to a point where you really just can't ignore it when your phone is just filled with it. And when you try to go on the video to comment back to people who are genuinely talking to you, asking questions, and you're just bombarded with people who are just being cruel and nasty. For my own mental health, I just turned it off so that I did not have to deal with any sort of hate. I understand why I got it, and I'm okay with that, but I just, we're already going through a pandemic. There's no reason to be cruel and nasty and just say, like, I need to die and get off the internet. Like, that was just kind of mean. So I do apologize if anyone felt offended by that video, and I do apologize if people thought that my tone is very ungrateful, because that's not where I'm coming from. But it's definitely a learning lesson for me where I can, handle things better in the future. So I do apologize for that. I'm just not going to apologize for what I said, just how I said it. So I am sorry. With that said, we're going to go ahead and dive into my premium edition box right here. And if you guys don't know, which I'm pretty sure you guys do by clicking on this video, that Boxycharm Premium box is a luxury subscription box. Now, when you first sign up for this box, you do have to have the regular base box subscription. So that is $25 a month. You sign up for this, you're either on a wait list. I don't know if there's still a wait list right now. Once you guys get approved, you are going to spend an additional $35 each month if you still have the base box. However, with this bad boy, you can cancel the base box and just have this box. So it could either be $35 a month or $60 a month, depending if you want to keep the base box or not, but that's up to you. I so far have really, really loved all my premium boxes. I have been so happy with them, so I'm excited to see what's in here. I'm not totally sure what's in here. I kind of forget. I didn't look at any spoilers, so let's just find this out together. Also, I'm wearing press-on nails, so if they pop off in this video, I do apologize, because I just got done filming my Q&A / assumptions get ready with me video, and this little bitch right here popped off, because it's one of those ones that's not glue. You just stick it on. I hate them. I want them off so badly. They suck. I only spent $6, so it's whatever, but they were not easy to put your makeup on with. Okay, so I'm not seeing it on my FedEx tracking or my UPS shipping I'm not seeing it. All it's showing me is delivered. It's not like I'm trying to scroll to find out like the information. Like I'm trying to scroll through this, try to find like the information on it, and I can't see where it says what the weight size is. So I do apologize for that. If I find out what my weight size for this box is, I'll make sure to list it down in the description so you guys know what the weight is. But thank you guys so much for telling me about that, because I literally had no idea why everyone asked. I'm like, what's the weight reference? Now I know. For the first item, we have a Skin&Co Restructuring Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. What's an eye concentrate? After cleansing your face and using Truffle Therapy Serum, use your ring finger and apply a generous amount of Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate under eyes, extending upward towards temples and brow bone. Use twice daily. Recommended for all skin types. But like, why does it want your ring finger? What does that matter? I'll also have the prices listed down here so you guys know. But I feel like Boxycharm partners up with Skin&Co because I've gotten a few of their like face gommage truffle masks. And I didn't really care for the truffle mask. I'm actually not a big mushroom person. I know that's where this comes from. But we're going to look up the price of this. Skin&Co. This is $66. Jeez. It's to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. The Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye area. All right, so I wonder what this smells like. $60 for this? What? Why? That is so tiny for $60. That is insane. That is okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That literally smells like sunblock. This literally, I'm trying to smell it without getting it on my nose. Like, I'm really trying. This literally smells like freaking tourist. Oh my god, this smells like Disney tourist. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with how Disney tourists smell. Don't ask why. I love the smell of sunscreen because it just reminds me of being at the water parks, and I would give anything to be at the water parks right now. I miss it so much. But this is what this smells like. So it smells like a Disney tourist, and for some reason it wants you to use your ring finger. This is your ring finger. I'm thinking this one. Yeah, your ring finger to apply this. Oh, will it know if I use my index finger? Oh my god. Jeez. I wonder if I would know if I use my index finger and not my ring finger for this. Why does it want you to use your ring finger? That's very intriguing. But this is $60. It's good for 12 months once opened. So I just opened it. So there is that. But I mean, I guess we can give this a try for sure. I haven't really tried anything from the brand. All the other face masks I have given away. Because I'm not really a big fan of like the sand exfoliator. I've really been getting into chemical exfoliators rather than physical exfoliators. So I'm going to give this a try. Hopefully it really makes my eyes look lifted and bright. I'm excited. All right, the next item is from Kat Von D. Even though it's not Kat Von D, it's the 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Promenade in the shade medium brown. Well, I am going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday giveaway because I don't really use brow promenades. I use my Benefit Cosmetics. Precisely my brow with Gimme Brow on top of it. I'm not really a big fan of Promenade to begin with. I just find that I don't have the best like hands to draw a straight line. I don't have like a steady hand. I'm like that the whole time, so I'll just be looking kind of wonky. So I'm not the biggest fan of Promenades. Also, I'm not really a big fan of Kat Von D, period. I know that this is no longer her brand. She did sell it to a vegan cruelty-free brand, but unfortunately I don't know what that brand is called. I just know it's called KVD, but they're still using her same exact packaging and still has her name on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this into a giveaway. Hopefully somebody gets a better use out of this. I'm sorry if it's not your match, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. That's exciting. That's cool. Nice little brow product. I'm just making it work. And this retails for $20 right here, by the way. $20. All right, the next one is from Milk Cosmetics. Oh, I've not tried anything from this brand. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek, a sheer blush and lip stained packed with hydrating rice bran oil for a shimmering wash of color. This is so tiny. All right, so this is $15 right here, and I got the shade Glimmer. God, I picked the wrong day to put on. Sorry, I picked the wrong day to put on freaking pressed nails. They've already been breaking off on me. This is interesting. So this is for your cheek and your lips. A sheer blush and lip stained. I can't get this little plastic thing off. Sorry. This is supposed to be for your cheek and for your lip. I honestly would not use this for a cheek. I'm just really not big of a like a roller when it comes to a cheek, but definitely trying it for a lip. It's supposed to be a stain, so you put this on and it's $15. It's this pretty color. It says the color is just glimmer and it's like a lip oil or like a blush oil. So that is that right there. And I've never tried anything from Milk Cosmetics, so that's exciting to give this a try. All right, cool beans. The next product is from Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush. Every time I see Sugar Rush, I automatically think Wreck-It Ralph, because Penelope Von Sweet is my character. She's my thing. And this is a lip butter balm, and it's for Best Bud in the shade Peony. I know this is a sister brand to Tarte. Okay, so Sugar Rush Best Bud lip butter, $12. I should be writing these prices down. Okay, so it says on here, you have the real MVP, most valuable pout. It says, with this hydrating butter lip balm available in 2 shades, your lips will look as good as a perfectly curated IG feed. Yeah, I wish. It has the Jojoa oil, shea butter keeps your lips hydrated, lactic acid helps gently exfoliate your baby's soft lips, angel food cake scent, oh god, it made me want to eat it, and a box made with soy ink. Please recycle. That is really cool that they have that. Okay, so let's check this out. It's only $12. That's cute. Look at the little flower. Oh my god, this angel food cake though. That smells so freaking good. Tastes like vanilla cake. Ooh, that's great. That smells great. I really do love lip butters. You guys know how much I talk about how much I love lip butters. Lip products are my absolute favorite. So this is exciting to have. I would definitely put this on my nightstand. I have so many lip butters at this point just because I think I'm so obsessed with them. I literally cannot go anywhere without them. So this is cool. And God, does that smell freaking amazing. That is awesome. That is really cool. I really do like the shape of that. Sweet. All right, the next product is from PureHeals. This is the Centella 90 Ampoule. I'm not entirely sure. It says smooth ampoule which contains Centella agitata extra. I can't even read this. What is okay? This is after cleansing, even out tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product on the face. Okay, but what are you? Okay, so according to this website, Yes Styles, because this is where I found the product at, this retails for $23.31. It's 10% off. Otherwise, it's $25.90. It says right here, I'm trying to find some details on it. Okay, the benefits are skin irritation tested. Use EWG green grade ingredients. Contains 90% of Centella extracts to smooth irritated skin for healthy radiance. Reinforces collapsing skin barrier with Ceramide NP to protect skin. Fortifies skin moisture barrier to protect skin from external aggravators. Okay, not entirely sure of all the properties. Unfortunately, the website does have a lot of ingredients that's listed in a different language that I unfortunately cannot read. So I'm not entirely sure what this is. It looks like it's some sort of serum. I think it looks like a serum personally. I actually just got a PureHeals charcoal mask in my Ipsy box. That smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. That smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. Very, very interesting. I don't know if I'm going to try this out, only because I don't really know what it's supposed to be used for. I don't really know what the beneficial properties of it. Like, I read it, but I didn't really understand what I read, if I'm going to be completely honest with you. And unfortunately, it just says only a certain amount of what it does, what it doesn't do. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just put this into my No Waste Wednesday. Maybe somebody will get a better use out of it. I'm just really sorry that I don't know much about this product. There really isn't too much information available on this Yes Style website. So I really can't read too much into it. I do think it's cool they're trying to put like Korean beauty products in here. Like, I can definitely appreciate that. But I just wish that they had more information like available for the public to understand what this is, what it's usually for. 'Cause I don't really know what Centella is. I really don't. Like, I'm not like knowledgeable in the skincare field, unfortunately. All right, so the last product is from Too Faced Cosmetics. This is the Natural Matte eyeshadow palette. Now, I actually currently already own this eyeshadow palette. I got it way back in the day when it was released. Okay, well, I actually have the other one. I have this shimmer one. So this is a Natural Eyes. This is the shimmer palette right here. I will say this, it does smell really, really good. I got the shimmer one. I thought I got the matte one, but I guess I did not. So I'll show you what this one looks like. All right, so it's the exact same as my shimmer. It's just in a mattified style. So this is my shimmer, and this is the natural matte eye right there. So you can see the two comparisons side by side. I unfortunately know that I won't get any use out of the natural, I won't get any use out of this palette at all. I'm not really the biggest fan of doing a natural eye look. It's just not something that I'm like the biggest fan of. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this palette into my no waste giveaway. So I got a lot of questions about what is it, Allie? What is your no waste Wednesday? And I did talk about this in my last video, but my no waste Wednesday is held at the end of the month on the last Wednesday of the month. And what it is that whenever I get products from subscription boxes, PR, just duplicate palettes or anything like that, I like to correlate a huge box and give it back to one winner or one person, because I'd rather you guys get a use out of it than me, because otherwise, like this, for example, this would just sit in my collection and collect dust, and I'd rather not have that happen. I'd rather give it to somebody who would actually get a better use out of it. And all you have to do to ever enter that giveaway is just be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below. Like, don't do it on this one because this is not the giveaway video. Do it on that video. But yeah, like there's nothing special with the video. I just give back products just to say thank you so much for being here. So let's see how much that palette is retailing for. I'm kind of surprised I did put this one in here though, because this has been out for quite some time. So I'm kind of surprised they put like an older palette, but I mean, I guess it's what works for them. So this palette retails for $38. All right, so the total box value is $176. Now I feel like this is kind of a lower box value than what I've gotten before when it comes to Boxypremium. All right, so what are my thoughts on this box? I would definitely say it's not one of my favorite boxes. I think looking back at all their previous premium boxes, I've been more excited about their premium boxes in the past than I have about this one. I remember the one in March, that was a whole Fenty Beauty collaboration. That was so freaking cool. I really love my premium box that I got last month. This one, it's okay. It's definitely not my favorite. It's okay. I'm keeping 3 out of the 6 items, so it's really not that bad. I just feel like some of the items are a little bit underwhelming. I really would wish they would not put Kat Von D in here, but that's just my own personal opinion. And then I'm going to go ahead and put all 3 of these into a giveaway for you guys, or my No Waste Wednesday. But overall, I'm still really happy that I do have this box, because genuinely I really do love Boxypremium, and usually it's a fantastic one. This one just isn't a hit this month, and that's completely okay. I'm excited to give this eye Truffle thing a try. Hopefully it makes my eyes look so good and hydrated, and it's gonna smell like a freaking tourist. And then these two right here, I'm looking forward to trying them out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for letting me talk to you guys in the very beginning. And I'm really sorry if anyone was offended by that video. I was not trying to be offensive whatsoever. I was trying to give my honest opinion. I could have handled it a lot differently, and I do apologize for not sounding as grateful as I should have been. But thank you so much for sticking by, you know, through all that. I really, really appreciate it. And you gotta love when the camera cuts out. Oh, okay. All right, well, all right, guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance, Corey. Also, take note that I'll be doing my video. I'll have a review on this. I'm getting kind of oily already because I've had this on now for a couple hours before I started filming this, so getting a little bit of oil sitting on my face. But I just seriously want to thank you guys so much for sticking by and being here, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. First, what's this finger called? In physical exfoliators lately, it's like I don't have the best. I'm not really the biggest fan of natural eyes. I like having colorful eyes, and if I do use natural, let me go ahead and add up the all right, so the whole, all right.